Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to Medicine and Health Info MK. We are here today to talk about something truly special, a small green leaf that holds immense power for our well-being. It is our mission to bring you the most useful and practical health information, and for that we need your encouragement. So please support us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hi viewers, we look to provide most useful videos for you, so pals support for us, it will help to grow with you. Thanks in advance for you support and subscribe us. Your support helps us grow and continue this journey with you. We're truly grateful you're here today. Let's begin this exploration of a kitchen staple that deserves more attention. The leaf we are discussing is the fragrant curry leaf, Murraya kannegi. For generations, it's been a cornerstone of Indian cooking, and our grandmothers knew its secrets. These small, glossy green leaves grow on the curry tree. They're often the first thing to sizzle in hot oil when making a traditional tadka. They are more than a garnish, a powerhouse of nutrition. Many people confuse curry leaves with curry powder, but they're different. Curry powder is a blend of various spices like turmeric, coriander, cumin. Curry leaves are the fresh foliage from a specific tree. Their flavor is distinct, a little citrusy, a little nutty, and wonderfully pungent, especially when fried. This taste elevates dishes, simple dals, vegetable stir-fries, complex curries, savory snacks. Understanding this distinction is the first step to appreciating the curry leaf's true value. The beauty of the curry leaf is its accessibility and simplicity. It doesn't require a health food store or big investment. Many people grow a curry tree in a pot on their balcony or garden. That ensures a fresh, organic supply within arm's reach. This plant-to-plate connection is a principle to embrace for healthier living. Plucking a few leaves for your morning meal is a small ritual that connects us to nature and traditional wellness passed down through generations. So, what makes this simple leaf so incredibly potent? The secret is its rich nutritional composition. A dense packing of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds. Curry leaves are an excellent source of vital nutrients. Vitamin A, crucial for eyesight and immune health. B vitamins help energy production. Vitamin C, antioxidant for skin and infection defense. Vitamin E protects cells from damage. Beyond vitamins, there are essential minerals. Iron prevents anemia and aids oxygen transport. Calcium, for strong bones and teeth. Calcium also supports muscle function and nerve signaling. The leaves are fibrous, great for digestion. Fiber ensures smooth bowel movements. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. That fullness can prevent overeating and support weight management. The real magic is the antioxidants. Curry leaves contain powerful antioxidants like carbazole alkaloids. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules. They cause oxidative stress and cellular damage. Oxidative stress contributes to chronic disease and aging. Including antioxidant-rich foods like curry leaves gives the body defensive tools. It's the synergy of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that makes curry leaves a superfood. Not one nutrient alone. It's how they work together. This is the wisdom of whole foods. Our ancestors used the entire leaf. They didn't isolate compounds in a lab. They used the whole leaf. We tap that holistic benefit when we toss fresh curry leaves into our cooking pot. One of the most celebrated benefits of consuming curry leaves is their remarkable effect on our digestive system. If you often experience issues like gas, bloating, or indigestion, these leaves can be a gentle and effective remedy. They help stimulate the digestive enzymes in our gut, which aids in the proper breakdown of food. This ensures that nutrients are absorbed more efficiently, and that the digestive process runs smoothly. Simply chewing a few fresh leaves first thing in the morning or incorporating them into your meals can help soothe your stomach, especially after a particularly heavy or rich meal. Another significant advantage is the role of curry leaves in helping to manage blood sugar levels. For individuals looking to maintain healthy glucose metabolism, these leaves can be a valuable dietary addition. The fiber content helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes after meals. Furthermore, certain compounds in the leaves are believed to enhance the activity of insulin, the hormone responsible for ushering glucose into our cells for energy. Including curry leaves in your dal, sabzi, or rice can be a simple, natural way to support balanced blood sugar. Your heart also stands to benefit greatly from the regular inclusion of curry leaves in your diet. They contain compounds that have been shown to help lower levels of LDL, while potentially helping to maintain or increase HDL. By protecting cholesterol particles from oxidation, a process that makes them more likely to stick to artery walls, the antioxidants in curry leaves help protect the cardiovascular system. This simple culinary habit can contribute to keeping your arteries clear and your heart functioning strongly, forming a key part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Let's not forget the well-known benefits for our hair and skin. Curry leaves have been a traditional secret for luscious, healthy hair for centuries. They are rich in amino acids and antioxidants that help strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and may even help prevent premature graying. Making a simple hair oil by boiling curry leaves in coconut oil and massaging it into your scalp is a time-tested remedy. For the skin, the same antioxidants that protect our internal organs also help shield our skin from environmental damage from pollution and UV rays, helping to maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. Integrating these beneficial leaves into your daily routine is incredibly easy and requires no special culinary skills. Quick montage of fresh leaves, a spoonful of powder, and someone smiling with a dish. The most common and flavorful way is to use them fresh in your cooking. Start by making a simple tadka, or tempering. Heat a teaspoon of ghee, heat a teaspoon of oil, add a pinch of mustard seeds. When they start to pop, toss in 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves. Let them sizzle until they become crisp and aromatic. You can then pour this flavorful mixture over dal. Pour it over yogurt raita, pour it over poha, pour it over upma, pour it over sambar, pour it over steamed vegetables. This instantly elevates the taste and nutritional value. Another wonderful method is to make curry leaf tea. Show a clear glass mug filled with light green curry leaf tea. This is a perfect way to start your day, or to have a soothing drink in the afternoon. Simply take about 10 to 15 fresh curry leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Boil them in a cup of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The water will turn a pale green and become infused with the leaves' goodness. Strain the liquid into a cup. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or a small spoonful of honey. This tea is a gentle way to aid digestion and get a morning dose of antioxidants. If you have an abundance of curry leaves, you can dry them and make a powder. Wash the leaves. Spread them out on a tray to dry in the shade for a few days until they are crisp. Once completely dry, you can grind them into a fine powder. Store the curry leaf powder in an airtight container for months. Sprinkle the powder over salads. Mix it into rice with a dollop of ghee. Add it to buttermilk. Use it as a seasoning for snacks. This is a convenient way to ensure you are getting the benefits even when you don't have fresh leaves on hand. For a direct and potent dose, you can simply follow the age-old practice of chewing a few raw leaves. Many people find that chewing 5 to 6 fresh, tender curry leaves on an empty stomach in the morning is a powerful health habit. Wash the leaves well before you consume them. This practice is believed to be particularly effective for kickstarting your metabolism, supporting weight management efforts, and improving digestive health right from the beginning of your day. It's a simple, zero-effort ritual that connects you directly with the raw, unadulterated power of this medicinal plant. In summary, the humble curry leaf is a small giant in the world of nutrition. It is a simple, accessible, and affordable ingredient that packs a powerful punch when it comes to our health, aiding our digestion, helping keep blood sugar stable, protecting the heart, promoting glorious hair and skin. Its benefits are vast and well documented by both traditional wisdom and modern science. It serves as a beautiful reminder that we don't always need exotic or expensive foods to be healthy. The answers are often growing right in our own gardens, waiting to be rediscovered and appreciated. The key is consistency. The benefits of curry leaves are best realized when they become a regular part of your daily diet, not just an occasional addition. Chew them raw, brew them into a tea, fry them in a tadka, or sprinkle them as a powder. A small handful of about 10 to 15 leaves per day is a safe and effective amount for most people. While they are very safe, if you are pregnant or on medication for conditions like diabetes, it's always a good practice to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Hi viewers, we truly enjoy providing you with the most useful videos for your health and well-being. So please support us on this journey. It will help us grow with you and bring you even more valuable content. Thanks in advance for your support, and please subscribe to Medicine and Health Info MK. Thank you for watching and for taking this step towards a healthier you.